May makes a friend by speaking English in New York. Learn English through stories with English Made Easy. May had been in New York for a month, taking English classes to improve her skills. She loved the city's energy, but her English was still a work in progress. Today she decided to go for a run in Central Park to clear her mind. As she jogged along the path, May saw another runner stop near her, taking a break. She hesitated, but she remembered her English teacher's advice. Practice speaking whenever you can, so she smiled and introduced herself. Hi, my name is May, she said, a bit shy but determined. The runner smiled back. Hi, May, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. May was thrilled to understand her response. She took a deep breath and continued. This is my first time in New York, she explained. I came here from China. I'm learning English. Sarah's face lit up. That's amazing. How are you liking New York so far? May thought for a moment. It's big, so many people, but I like it. Sarah laughed. It's big, yes. Are you here for school? May shook her head. No, I'm a software engineer, but I want to speak English better. Well, you're doing great, Sarah encouraged her. Do you come to Central Park often? This is my third time, May replied. Do you come here a lot? Yes, I love running here. Maybe we can run together sometime, Sarah suggested. May smiled, excited by the idea. I'd like that. As they exchanged numbers, May felt proud. She had not only practiced her English, but she'd also made a new friend. Walking back home, she couldn't wait to tell her English teacher about the conversation. For May, it was a small step, but a big moment in her journey toward feeling at home in New York. The end.